50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 29. Empathy. Lord, fill my heart with empathy and compassion. Help me to understand the struggles of others and to offer support and comfort. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Your determination and perseverance will lead you to success.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Support organizations that work to combat climate change and promote renewable energy.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us recognize that our strength lies in our collective efforts towards peace and equality.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a reminder that we are here to connect, to build relationships, and to nurture community.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.